Male health and vitality is the focus of this YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use this simple recipe to boost your libido, heal infertility, and increase testosterone production. My name is Laura Al-Awar. I'm International Intimacy Advisor, expert in sexual alchemy, Healing Tao USA Certified Instructor, and Universal Healing Tao Certified Bodywork Practitioner. Did you know that a simple date pit tea can help you increase your libido, heal infertility, and increase testosterone production? That is true. To make this amazing tea, combine 300 grams of date pits with half a liter of water. Simmer it for 10 minutes at a medium heat. Allow the tea to cool before drinking it on an empty stomach 3 times a day. Here are some of the benefits of this amazing tea. First and foremost, it improves your libido. Both men and women can benefit from this. It raises testosterone levels in the male body and heals male infertility. It also improves semen production as well as semen quality. Besides, this recipe will help you get rid of grit and small stones in your kidneys. So for 14 days, drink this tea every day. Then take a month off. Then restart for another 14 days. If you'd like to learn more about best foods to increase your testosterone production, click on the video on your screen. Check out the links below this video to find out how to naturally treat common male health problems such as premature ejaculation and erectile dysfunction. To find out about restorative reproductive health male bodywork, visit www.rejuvenatewithtao.com or call Laura about in-person and remote video sessions. Subscribe to this channel if you like this video so you don't miss any future videos just like this one.